Take two. Ralston's doing my hair in a nice side ponytail. Adding some bobby pins.
There's one. There's bobby pin there.
Mm-hmm.
I like the Reese's recording this.
And some little hairspray.
Yep.
And brushing.
And brushing. I need some.
There's a pin, a bobby pin fell out.
Another pin bar.
This is how you do a beautiful side ponytail.
Are you gonna send this to someone?
Grandma.
I need more bobby pins. I need more bobby pins.
You do?
Yeah.
I think if you just rat it with the comb a little bit.
No, but I need more.
You think so? Whoa, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, and comb it out. What do you got there? That's perfume.
What does it do?
You don't need to put perfume on.
What does it do? Tell me.
It makes you smell pretty.
I'm gonna do it. Can I hold it?
I think it did pretty good.
Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Can you open
Here.
this? I have